Hey people, how are you today? I'm Jojo and you're welcome to my channel, JojoConnect. You see, on this channel, I make videos on how to get things done easy and simple. So if you're new to this channel, just click on the subscribe button and also hit the notification bell so that you will be the first to know as soon as I drop a new video. So for today's video, I will be showing you how to get your first 100 subscribers fast. So without wasting your time, let's get into the video. Number one point is promote your channel. Bro, sis, promote your channel. Just go out there, put your channel on your social media stories, on your social media handles, your Instagram, your Facebook, Twitter. Promote your channel out there. Most importantly, promote it to your friends and family. They should support you. They want you to succeed, so they should support you. Let them get a screenshot of your channel, send it to your friends, your family, say, guy, oh, I just started a new YouTube channel, support me. And after all, if you succeed, it's for your good, it's for their good as well, don't you think? Yeah, so that's the first tip. Promote your channel. The second tip I have for you is create a content that solves a problem. Create a content that actually, solves a need. Don't just open a YouTube channel and then you say, oh, my husband just barbed my hair. Oh, how I fell into water. All this kind of stuff. I'm not saying, those videos are really bad, but don't forget to get your first 100 subscribers is a real big deal. So just create something that can actually, solve the need of people. Let people be able to find your videos, solving their problems. So that's my second tip for that. So the third tip I'm going to be giving you today is sub for sub. Yeah, sub for sub. Yeah, I'm sure you'll be looking at me and say, Jojo, what are you talking about? Sub for sub. People, it's not, people cheat and stuff like that. Yeah, people cheat on sub for sub, but don't forget you're trying to get your first 100 subscriber, and this can be very challenging. So what you do is go sub for sub, but listen carefully. Do not sub on the YouTube platform. It's against the YouTube policy. So what you do is go to other platforms like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, go join groups. On Facebook, there are loads of, new YouTube subscriber groups. Join those groups, ask for sub, you sub, they sub. The truth of the matter is, at the end of the day, you're gonna get some people to sub to you. You also sub to them. Well, you will definitely lose some subscribers because there are lots of cheats out there. So, but you still get to retain a few subscribers at the same time. So what you do is sub to as many people, sub for sub with a lot of people. You will lose some, but you will end up retaining some. The next tip I have for you is to go on YouTube and search for small YouTubers accounts. Like, just type in YouTubers, just type in 20 subscriber channels. Just type in 50 subscriber channel, 20 subscriber channel, and then, go to the filter and click on channel. It will give you a list of channels with less than 50 or 20 subscribers. So what you do is go to those channels, watch their video, watch one of their videos, and then you just leave a comment. You don't have to say sub for sub, just leave a comment. Wow, I like just something like this. Oh, I like the fact that you're doing something good. I will support you. I hope we can be friends. Before you know it, the same small YouTuber would want to subscribe back to you. Don't you think? Yes. So the last tip I'll be giving you today is to take advantage of big YouTube channels. Yes. What I mean is you try to find, a few big YouTube channels, like channels with 100,000 subscribers and above. So what you do is you subscribe to their channel, and then you also click on their notification bell. So once they drop a new video, you will be one of the very first people to know when the video drops. So what you do immediately a new video drops is to quickly go to their comment section and leave a nice comment on their comment section. Listen carefully. Do not ask for sub. Are you with me? So just leave a nice comment on their comment section. Say something like, wow, oh, I love your content. You have motivated me to start off my own YouTube channel. Or perhaps you just say something like, wow, I'm so inspired each time I watch your YouTube channel. Or, something like that. And before you know it, when others come to their comment section to make their own comment, they will definitely see your comment, as long as you have made your comment early enough. Try to be among the first 10 people to comment on their comment section. So once they see your comment, they will be persuaded to check your YouTube channel as well, and perhaps they might end up subscribing. So, ladies and gentlemen, if you take into consideration all these tips that I've given to you, before you know it, you will get your first 100 subscribers in less than a week. Peace.